Hi Heidi, it's your Grammy with another read aloud. Today we're going to read My Truck is Stuck. You see, he looks real sad. Oh, he's worried because what happened? His tire, it's stuck in a hole. This is a story by Kevin Lewis and Daniel Clerk. My truck is stuck. My truck is stuck. Let's see what happens. There's his truck and it's stuck. Look where he is. Oh, his truck is stuck. Oh, his truck is stuck. It won't go. Look, there it is. Dump truck, coming down the road. Dump truck hauling a great big load. Round and round the wheels they roll, round and round. Into a hole. Uh-oh. Look, his truck is stuck. The wheels went round and round into a hole. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Gears grind, the engine roars, but the truck won't go. Not 1 inch more. Help! Please help! Does anybody know how to make my stuck truck go? Help! Please help! Beep, beep. Here comes a car full of travelers traveling far. Beep, beep. Rotten luck can't go. My truck is stuck. Tug and tow, 2 engines roar, but the truck won't go, not 1 inch more. See, they're trying to pull it. They're trying really hard, but it won't go, not 1 inch more. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my truck stuck go? Beep, beep! Here comes a van, driven by a moving man. His name is Rough and Ready Movers. Rough and ready, they're always tough and steady. Beep, beep. Help, he says, help. Rotten luck, my truck is stuck. Can't go, can't go. Drag and draw, tug and tow, 3 engines roar, but the truck won't go. Look, here's the truck, 1, here's the car, 2, here's the truck, 3. They're all trying to pull, but the truck is stuck and the truck won't go. Help! Please help, help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep! Here comes a Jeep, up a hillside very steep. Help! See the Jeep? It says beep, beep, Jeep, Jeep, beep, beep. Up a hill very steep, it's climbing up there. And he says, help! Rotten luck! Can't go. My truck is stuck. Here's the car trying to pull it, and the moving van, and the Jeep. Ooh, heft and haul, tug and tow, 4 engines roar. The truck still won't go. Help! Please help! Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. Here comes a bus full of youngsters. What a fuss. Help, help. Rotten luck, can't go. My truck is stuck. And look, lug and lurch, tug and tow, 5 engines roar, roar, but the truck won't go. Let's see, here's the truck, it's still stuck. Here's a car pulling, a van pulling, a Jeep pulling, and a bus pulling, but the truck won't go, it's still stuck. Honk, honk. No need to panic. Here comes a tow truck with a mechanic. Mr. Mechanic, I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on its way, just hook it up and then you'll say, oh look, Ziggy wants to read the book too. Honk, honk. Oh, yay, the mechanic is here. He's gonna fix it. Have no fear. Oh, look, what luck. Yay, my truck's not stuck. See, the truck's not stuck anymore. The mechanic did his job with a tow truck. Vroom, vroom. Now, car and van and Jeep and bus all move on without a fuss, and the dump truck rolls on down the road on its way to deliver. Look, vroom, vroom, there goes the truck. There's the tow truck. There's the car. There's the moving van. There's the Jeep, and there's the bus. They're all going down the road, and the truck is going down the road with a great big load. What is he carrying? Those look like dog bones for dogs. The end. My truck is stuck. Bye, Heidi. I love you.